My name is Mark Wallace, and as the Chief Customer Officer and Head of Sales for the company, I'm excited to provide this update to all of you. So, as Ingrid spoke about, our customer-centric culture and business model is a distinct competitive advantage, especially with today's rapidly evolving markets. And we are expanding our first-to-market solution leadership even further through software and services and customer value created by thousands of trusted advisors within our now massive and highly efficient global sales force. And in my role, as Satish mentioned, as Chief Customer Officer, I'm helping to align the entire company to focus externally, to define customer success through the eyes of our customers, and to harness the full power of Keysight and deliver differentiated outcomes to our customers in support of these same customer success metrics. So looking around, I see some faces I haven't met before by way of further introduction. I joined this company in 1988 as an electrical engineer, you're smiling, and I've spent most of the time in sales, so I'm glad to be here. So today, I'll share compelling examples of how we're enabling distinct business and technical outcomes for our customers and across entire ecosystems. Three key messages for you to take away from today's presentation. Number one, since the spin from Agilent, we continued to transform our company from products to solutions. And now we're extending beyond the solution sale to deliver continuous value to our customers through software and services and a focus on maximizing customer lifetime value. Number two, we've aligned our powerful go-to-market approach with our business strategy to create a seamless, multi-touch environment for our customers focused on their success. And number three, we're leveraging our deep and growing customer relationships and our large global presence to capture market insight, to drive innovation, and to extend our first-to-market solution leadership even further. So with that, let's take a closer look at sales and software and services at Keysight. So as Satish articulated earlier, we have a large and diverse business serving more than 30,000 customers in 100 countries every year. We have achieved consistent above-market order growth with 14% core order growth last year and a compounded 11% order growth since spin. Over the last several years, we've onboarded hundreds of incremental frontline sellers and solution engineers that work daily with our customers around the world. We've grown our services capability and capacity through our regional service centers and through our global network of resident professionals. These RPs, as we call them, are our services delivery experts, supporting and enabling our customers on site while supporting all of our products and solutions. Altogether, our more than 5,000 R&D, solution engineering, and services resources are distributed around the globe, close to customers, with about 10% of these experts residing on site and embedded in specific customer workflows. These are the trusted advisors that our customers rely on to solve their most difficult engineering challenges and to save time, to reduce cost, and ultimately to achieve success. And this is further evidenced, again, as Satish talked about, through the more than 140 public collaborations that have occurred just since the last Investor Day, with many, many more non-public strategic engagements. And many of these experts are also the industry thought leaders that Kailash referenced earlier, working to advance innovation through their work in standard settings bodies and industry consortia. Altogether, this is the successful formula of co-innovation. This is the virtuous cycle. And as a purpose-driven organization at Keysight, this is the purpose of sales: to advance and scale strategic customer collaborations. So, reflecting back briefly on the last Investor Day, we have done everything we said we would do and more. We've more than doubled the number of frontline sellers over the last 5 years, as we committed to do. And as a matter of fact, we've added more than 200 incremental frontline sellers hired from outside the company just since the last Investor Day. And we are now in the process, just now, of fully deploying this full sales capability, again, in part to help scale our ability to engage with customers strategically. We have been focused on sales productivity, which we have increased by a stunning 47%, while reducing our cost per order dollar by 29%. This is achieved through the continuing deployment of advanced sales productivity tools and training and value selling skills. And we still have a lot of headroom left to achieve. We've grown our top customers. We've added thousands more. We've expanded our value-added services capabilities, growing total orders for services last year to more than $720 million. We've grown our recurring revenue from software and services. We've achieved a 28% CAGR in services bookings attached up front when we sell our product. And all of this is made possible through the successful deployment of our dedicated software and services sales organization and our global renewals sales function. And finally, we have just recently launched new, even higher value-added services for complete solutions, which are just starting to ramp right now. And at the core of all of this is our go-to-market. And we've designed this go-to-market from the ground up, as well as standing up 3 global sales channels, all designed to maximize value to our customers. And as the foundation of our go-to-market, we begin, as always, with our customers and the challenges they face to be first, to deal with this increasing complexity that we spoke about, and to be ready for what's next. Our omni-channel, that we call it, which just refers to all customer touch points, has been designed to scale value to all customers through our first-to-market solutions, which by definition means hardware, plus software, plus services, plus our global consultative sales organization, right? From standalone subscription software and services, and through our efficient and low-cost e-commerce and partner-led channels. Now, for Keysight, omni-channel creates sustaining value from deeper and expanded customer collaborations, from extending our reach even further through a global network of more than 800 channel partners, from increasing recurring revenue and streamlining the integration of acquired software sales channels. This is all combined with the continuing expansion of our global e-commerce capability, which is now live in 33 countries around the world. We're making it fast and easy for customers to acquire our growing portfolio of products and services. And as we've done for years successfully, we continue to dynamically deploy our resources to the best opportunities, to maximize our growth and success across all cycles and leverage synergies and cross-selling capabilities, which I will touch on further in the next slide with an example around our software. So as you can see from this graphic, we have more than tripled our software revenue since spin through organic and inorganic investments. As was mentioned before, we have grown our software at a faster pace than the rest of Keysight, increasing the total percentage of revenue from software from 12% in 2014 to 21% last year. And we'll continue to accelerate the growth from software faster than the rest of Keysight over the next several years. It's really striking, though, to see that more than half of our total software revenue comes from our first-to-market solutions, as Kailesh and Wee-Sin further articulated. And this is a reflection of the strong demand for our solutions and the importance of software. And we continue to shift to a recurring model, which is based on a subscription-based licensing and a for-pay software support model, increasing the stickiness of our business and growing the annualized recurring portion of our software from 31% to nearly 50%. All of this is achieved through the expansion of our digital business model and the deployment of our enterprise software sales capabilities. And we still see a significant opportunity to grow our software franchise even further by increasing the number of software assets organically and through strategic M&A, through co-innovating with our customers, as we always do, and as outlined in the Keysight leadership model, and by leveraging our reach and cross-selling capabilities. So an example of this last item is with Eggplant. And with Eggplant, Keysight is a leader in AI-based automated software test and user experience optimization. And when combined with our 5G solutions for our commercial customers, with the 5G smartphone as the device under test, we are able to verify the physical layer, the RF performance, interrogate and verify the protocol, and for the first time, optimize the performance of the applications and the user experience. This is powerful and unique in the industry. It's elevating our strategic importance to our customers, and it's all about creating customer success. Another way we create customer success is through our value-added services. And we're taking a one Keysight approach to expanding value through all our customers through a consistent user and customer experience across our end-to-end services portfolio. This is to help our customers to acquire new products, to ramp their productivity, to optimize utilization, and over time, to upgrade and refresh their capabilities to keep pace with ever-advancing standards and technologies. Since the last Investor Day, our customers have adopted our premium Keysight Care franchise, with more than half of all eligible products sold last year, including advanced or extended premium services, which they paid for. And we still see a long runway of growth ahead by growing our services attach rate through both our direct sales channel and our distribution channels, by increasing Keysight Care renewals, which we doubled last year and will double again moving forward, by expanding Keysight Care beyond the product to complete solutions, which include hardware, plus software, plus professional services. And as we uniquely continue to support and migrate and manage our massive installed base of products and services around the world. So let's put it all together in a spotlight of how we're not only creating success for a particular customer, but enabling an entire ecosystem. And Kailash mentioned this before. In this case, the advanced optical and wireless ecosystem in Japan. And this engagement began many years ago, where Keysight began working with commercial companies and research institutes as directed by the government in Japan. We came together to help align the entire industry in developing the next generation transport communication system, which at that time was 100 gigabit Ethernet. And as we began, we had a unique position with the breadth of our solutions to provide test capabilities for components and modules and complete systems. But over time, we became the trusted partner of choice as we commercialized many innovations around collaborating with customers around hardware, integrating their test chips into the world's first high-speed arbitrary waveform generator, by integrating their software and DSP algorithms into our optical modulation analyzers, and probably most importantly, with what we've done with our experts and embedding them into our customers' labs. It's a great example of our first-to-market hardware and software and services enabling an entire ecosystem and industry. And each subsequent year, with government research funding for 400 gigabit, 600, 800 gigabit last year, and now 1.6 terabits, we remain engaged in helping to enable this process to move forward. When I was in Japan a few months ago, I met with Dr. Tomizawa, who is the head of the NTT Device Innovation Center, and he told me that Keysight is one of the most important companies who can assist in our innovation, and without us, they would not have been able to achieve their latest proof of concept. We remain the supplier of choice for the Japan team as we move forward with this year's innovation. So that's it. In summary, we have a large and powerful sales team of trusted advisors that are deepening customer relationships and expanding outcomes, which enable customer success. We're moving beyond the solution sale, using software and services to enhance our customers' workflow and grow customer lifetime value. Our large and efficient global sales force, combined with our omni-channel go-to-market, are designed to scale with the company and deliver and extract value from our solutions, from our software and services, and through our efficient and low-cost transactional channels. And together, software, services, and sales at Keysight act as a force multiplier, creating sustaining compounded growth for Keysight.